If you're looking for the ultimate in comfort and style, you've found it with the EWheels EW-46. This fun-to-drive electric scooter features front and rear suspension for a smoother ride, while 15-inch pneumatic tires allow you to drive effortlessly over varied terrain. The EW-46 also has plenty of power and will get up to 15 miles per hour for up to 35 miles on a single charge. The EW-46 has a fully adjustable large captain's seat and is one of the most comfortable seats around, and it holds up to 400 pounds. You'll also find an easy-to-read LED console that shows estimated speed, mileage, and battery life for navigating your ride. A full LED lighting package delivers exceptional visibility with directional turn signals, brake lights, and an ultra-bright headlight with both rear and side LED running lights. Dual rear-view mirrors allow you to see what's behind you, while the electromagnetic handbraking system ensures safe braking. This rugged scooter also features a sturdy front steel bumper that protects you from the unexpected. This scooter is ready for anything, so start your adventure today with the EWheels EW-46.